Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy channel. In this video, we are going to see how to open a TradingView account in TradingView platform directly. After opening the TradingView account, we are going to see what are the users in TradingView platform. Okay. First of all, we are going to the Chrome browser. After login to the Chrome browser, just go to the www.tradingview.com. Okay. Now after going to the TradingView website, this is the home page you will be having. This is the home page. After going to the home page, you will be having two options, that is start a free trial and sign in. You just go to the start a free trial. Okay. After start a free trial, see here, these are the plans of TradingView platform. If you want to use a TradingView platform, you can also use it without spending money, that is a basic package. But in basic package, you can only include 3 indicators in it. These are the premium packages available. Now we are just going to log in with TradingView platform. So just I am going to click on the start now in the basic package. Okay. After clicking the start now, this is the window you will be having sign up. You just want to sign up with the TradingView platform, so you need any Google account or Facebook account, or you can also use your email account. Okay. Now I have my Google account, so I directly go to the Google. See here, now I am clicking our JJP Trading Academy Google account. See here, this is the first thing they will be asking. They will be asking the TradingView sign up. Almost they finish. Okay. You need to upload your photo. You just need any other photos to upload in this. After you can start your continue with the TradingView platform. If you not having any photo, it's just okay. Just click on the continue button. See here, now we have signed up with the TradingView platform. This is the TradingView profile ID. This is the TradingView profile ID that you have in the basic. Okay. If you want to get access with our indicator, after subscribing to our indicator, you just need to give your TradingView profile ID to our technical team. They will be providing you access through this TradingView account. Okay. This is the basic thing. This is the TradingView profile ID you will be having by your own. Okay. Now what we will be having: ideas, markets, scripts, screeners, streams, brokers, charts. The main thing is charts, because the TradingView platform is available for every international traders and Indian traders to view charts. Okay. Now we are going to view charts. After clicking on the chart, this is the home page of chart you will be having. That means you will be having the script name called Apple. Here you will be having the candlestick patterns in the basic, and you will be having the volume indicator you will be having. You just go to the volume indicator and disable this. See here, now I have opened my TradingView account, and now I am viewing the chart in TradingView platform. See here, if you are a basic package user, you will be getting these ads daily. If you subscribe to the TradingView any package, if you taken, means you will not be getting any ads, and you will be adding any much of indicator you can add. That means you can add every indicators. Now see here, I am clicking on the indicator session. You can see many indicators here. After getting subscription to our indicator, you will be getting our indicator in this. You will be getting a invite only script tab will be opened. After you can click on the invite only script and you can use our indicator. These are the basic things in TradingView platform. just we are going to see what are all the settings included in TradingView platform. So just I closed the indicators. If you need any other indicator, you can include here. And see here, this is the time frame period you are going to use. If you are a day trader, you can analyze the day market and you can hold your position for the next day and next day. This is the day traders using day chart. Okay, now we are going to use for intraday traders. So I prefer mostly intraday traders. So the intraday best time frame is 5 minutes time frame. So I am going to choose the 5 minutes time frame here. Okay, see here, now this is viewable in Apple. You can also choose any other scripts by clicking on this Apple, that is a script name default. Now we are going to open Bank Nifty. See here, Bank Nifty is a index. According to Bank Nifty main index only you can start trading with the options and future, that I will be explaining you later. See here, now I have opened Bank Nifty. Now the Bank Nifty is moving around 36,124.20. If you don't want the candlestick pattern also, you can also choose to any other patterns, but the candlestick pattern is the most used by the professional traders. So we are going to start our trading journey using the candlestick pattern only and using our 5 minutes time frame. This is best suited for intraday traders. Okay, these are the profile settings you have, and you can also use TradingView platform to draw lines. See here, you are getting a trend line here. You can draw the trend line and analyze the market. These are the main analysis you can do. Okay, thank you traders. First of all, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, join our Telegram channel and see our daily indicators performance till now. Our indicator is working very perfectly. Every beginners and every professional traders can use our indicator. Our indicator will provide you high accuracy buy sell signals. We are also providing stocks in the live market. We will be giving the stocks which are providing our strong buy strong sell signals. Okay, thank you.